Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone present here. Today is the 20th of October and the day is Tuesday. Please get ready for the morning prayers.
भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के। शरण लो
जानकी नाथ श्री रामचंद्र है, दशरथ नंदन दानव हरणा।
जानकी नाथ श्री रामचंद्र है, दशरथ नंदन दानव हरणा। पतित पावन सीताराम, पतित पावन सीताराम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। राम 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 भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के। भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के, भजन मन गाओ राम नाम के। शरण लो
Memories, they always make us smile. One of the most popular Indian household tradition is when our grandmothers narrate stories to us about their past. Well, there is a certain joy in listening to them, but there is also always something to learn. So here we present to you two short clips about what they did in their vacations versus what we do in ours. માલગુડી ડેઝ નો એપિસોડ જોયો?
હા, મેં જોયો. સ્વામી તમારો ફેવરિટ કેરેક્ટર છે એમાં. ચલને બહાર રમવા જઈ. વેકેશન છે તો બધા ફ્રી હશે.
હા, ચાલો રમીએ.
નિશિત તને હવે એનથી ગાવાનું છે.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग गो।
અરે આજે તો ઘણા બધા લોકો ભેગા થયા.
સાચી વાત છે. ચાલ ને આપણે બધા સાથે થપ્પોદા રમીએ.
હા, હું બધાને બોલાવીને આવું. ઓય, આપણે હાઈડ એન્ડ સીક રમવું છે?
હા હા, ચાલો રમીએ.
હા હા, ચાલો રમીએ.
મારા પ્રમાણે છે ને માલવે દા દેવો જોઈએ. શું કહો છો?
હા હા, માલવને દંડ દેવડા.
હા તો હું દન દેવાનું ચાલુ કરી દઉં છું. બધાય છુપાઈ જાય. આવું જ છું. છુપાઈ ગયા છો ને બધાય?
A few moments later.
નિશાંત તારો થપ્પો.
અરે યાર, આ ગેમ જ નથી ગમતી. હંમેશા પહેલા હું જ પકડાઈ જાઉં છું.
પ્રાંશુ તારો થપ્પો.
ચીટિંગ ચીટિંગ, તે મને જ પકડ્યો. બધા તારી સામે જ છે. તે એમને કાનો પકડા? એરિયો શશાંક, એરિયો પ્રસીન.
આવી રીતે રમવાની નો મજા આવે.
અરે યાર, આ ગેમ રમવી જ નથી.
મને બહુ જ ભૂખ લાગી છે. ચાલો આપણે ગોલા ખાવા જઈએ.
હા ચાલો, ઘરે જઈને પૈસા લઈ આવીએ.
પણ તને તો બહાર જમવાની મનાઈ છે ને?
હું ઘરે બતાવીશ જ નહીં.
પ્રાંશુ શું થયું તમને?
અરે હું ઘરે જઈને જમી ના શક્યો કેમ કે ગોલાથી જ પેટ ભરાઈ ગયું. તો મમ્મી ગીજાના માને.
તો આવા કામ ના કરાય ને.
જે થયું તે મજા તો બહુ જ આવી કે નહીં?
એ તો છે, બહુ જ મજા આવી આજે.
હા, મજા તો બહુ જ આવી.
Not so easily, bro. Take this.
No! Yes! Yes! On your face. One more.
It's a pleasant day. Why not play cricket today? Let me call my friends.
Yes, Misha. Actually, I need to complete my homework first. Only then my mom will let me out.
Sorry, Nishank, I won't be able to come. I'm very sleepy today.
I know you all are couch potatoes. Have you even budged from your bed to take a shower? It's not sunny today, so let's meet to play cricket. Meet near my house in 20 minutes.
Why have that hassle? Just stay home and play online cricket, bros.
No, I'm tired of sitting at home. Mishank is right. Let's play cricket outside.
Wicket.
Yes, good catch, Nishit, good catch.
A few moments later.
I'm exhausted. Let's take a break.
We met after a long time and it's refreshing. The clean air, the soft breeze and the cloudy weather. Oh, I missed our reunion so much.
I feel nostalgic about our vacations when we were young. No stress, only friends and games. Now I miss those times. I spent my whole vacation glued to my mobile.
Yeah, that's true.
Does anyone remember the hiking trip we took just before our exams? Those 10 days were unforgettable.
Why not? Definitely. We should refresh our memory.
Yeah, good idea.
I have photos in my camera.
With the progress of time, we have given so much importance to devices that we've forgotten the value of spending time with family and friends. However, this was not the case in our childhoods. In our childhoods, our nanny's place was our favorite vacation destination. Street food was a treat, and even drawing a small house with a bright sun above it, it made us proud. Those are the moments to cherish. Hence, with technological innovations, we should progress and adapt them. However, we should not forget our roots so that we can tell our children, कभी हम भी बच्चे हुआ करते थे. As we grow up, we have a load of responsibilities on us. And that is when we realize the importance of those small moments in our childhood when we didn't have a purpose for doing anything. Everything was for fun. So now Prasheen Jogani from IB1 will present a poem named Sweet Memories of Childhood by Aarti Chopra.
Sweet Memories of Childhood by Aarti Chopra. Sweet memories of childhood came to me like a soft breeze. Memories that brought smile to my lips. Memories that tickle and tease. Long forgotten moments of times when we were young and brash, buried deeply in the folds of time, surfaced to consciousness like a flash. Innocence was a hallmark, and freshness glowed our skin. No cares, no worries that life consists of, just love for my kith and kin. Giggly moments of awareness, for stirrings of love and romance, reveling in being a young woman as life led us to a soulful dance. Warm love and care of our parents, a longing for mother's food, relaxing and chilling in a familiar room, just being at home felt so good. Nurtured and nourished so lovingly, we are mothers and fathers now, all old friends. Life has taught us well and truly as we travel the climbs and bends. There have been highs and lows too, but we have withstood our trials well. As we put in practice what we learnt, that only time will truly tell. But nothing can erase those happy moments that lift up our spirits like a fragrant breeze. These are the memories that will be imprinted forever, and only in death will they ever cease. Ah, childhood. We were so lucky to have so much love and care, such loving parents to guide us as we for life prepare. Thank you.
Fun and musty with friends is a major part of our childhood, and Bollywood emphasizes this a lot. Let's enjoy this beautiful song from Bollywood named Wo Din Bhi Kya Din The. Nishid Ribadia is singing the song. Noel Matthew, Malav Badrakia are playing the tune on the piano. And a special thanks to Meet Chauhan for playing the tune on the guitar.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम पे छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वतन गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वतन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी तो संतान थे। ओ लेकिन ब्रदर जो भी कहो वो यार ही तो जानते। कॉलेज की कुड़ी से करने आगे 4 के दिन थे। आए जिंदगी से पहले पहले यार के दिन थे। वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Death comes as a rude and jolting shock to all of us. We have a theoretical idea about death at the back of our minds. On the 5th of November 2020, we were shaken to the core with the sad news of Madhuri ma'am's departure from the world for her eternal abode. Over the many years as a teacher, she was a go-to person for numerous students. Her belief in the capacity of students endeared her to all, and her positivity inspired us to look at the best in the worst. Our memories of her may not suffice to describe entirely the wonderful teacher, the mentor, the mother, the friend, the daughter, and the wife she was. But those memories are surely the images engraved in our minds and our hearts. I invite Dipti ma'am to share a few words about the amazing person Madhuri ma'am was.
Namaste. On behalf of the entire biology team, I am thankful for this opportunity to pay a tribute to Madhuri ma'am. It's very difficult to believe that she's no more with us. I still feel that when I go to the lab, I'll find her working at some corner of the lab. Room 324 is never going to be the same again. She has been one of the members of our team who has always had that contagious enthusiasm and the positive attitude with which she dealt all the situations that was passed on to all of us also. She was a very caring person, and we are all going to miss her. And it's a void that can never be filled. I know all of us are going to remember her for the way she dealt every situation with a smile and the positive attitude she carried in life. May her soul rest in peace.
For today's point researcher, let me begin by asking you a question. What is the most precious thing in your life? Some of us may grab the latest model of smartphone that we just bought. Some of us may point at our wardrobes, while some of us may believe it is money. But amidst all the hustle to achieve something tangible like money, marks, certificate and trophies, haven't we detached ourselves from some of the most valuable things in our life, our relationships? This lockdown has been an eye-opener where most of us are spending time with our families, either playing, either watching movies, either eating together or just pulling each other's legs. It made us wonder why the smile on our mother's face brings more happiness than our mobile screens. It made us understand how important it is to pay attention to our health rather than blaming work. It made us realize that it is important to be a global citizen who helps the society, because the pandemic has proved that no one is big or small, superior or inferior. Once it strikes, it affects all of us. I hope this thought makes you realize that you should take out time from your day to be a global citizen by doing some service. And it is also important to question, are we fulfilling our duty as a member of the society, or are we still focused on ourselves? Thank you.